Hello everyone, I hope everybody's doing well. So today I am quickly showing you how I make Rajma in almost no time. I've taken one medium size onion, chopped tomato, 4 cloves of garlic and 1 bay leaf. I had soaked Rajma for about 12 hours and I have boiled it. There is a salt added in it already. And I like to have a little extra oil for the Rajma. That's how the authentic Rajma is made. I'm waiting for my oil to get heated properly. And I have added jeera, bay leaf. Mix it well properly because bay leaf is very light, it will just keep swimming in the oil. Now we are adding garlic and onion together. We'll saute fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. And I want to show you the masala that I use. It is from Kia. It's a special Kashmiri Rajma Masala. And this one has a lot of mango powder in it. So if you're somebody who doesn't like sour flavor, then maybe this is not the masala for you. But I like it for Rajma. So I've taken only 1 spoon of Rajma and we'll mix it well in 3 to 4 spoons of water. Like this. Break down all the bubbles in it. And the quantity of my Rajma is 250 gram. So for that quantity, 1 spoon of this masala is enough. Onion is almost ready and it's time to add tomatoes now. Mixing it well, and I will add a very little amount of salt here. Only for tomatoes and onion. So mix it well and we will cover this up for about 3 to 4 minutes so that the tomatoes are cooked properly. It's time to add masalas now, so I'm adding turmeric, red chili powder. You can also add green chilies here. I don't eat, so I'm not adding. Mixing it well. And now we will add the liquid masala that we had prepared from Kia. We want to add this now. We want to mix it well together and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes until the oil gets separated. As you can see, the oil has been separated now. And now it's the time to add our boiled Rajma along with the water. And as I mentioned earlier, there is a salt already added in it. We mix this well, cover this up, and we want to boil this for next 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now and Rajma is ready. I like it to be little on a watery side because that's how I like to eat with my rice and salad. So this is my weekend lunch, very proteinous and healthy. I hope you liked my video. I will see you in the next one.